On December 28, 2021, a call was made to the police regarding a woman displaying unusual behavior on the school premises. The person who reported the incident described a woman later identified as 56-year-old Kimberly Archibald, driving a Honda with Massachusetts license plates. According to the witness, Archibald exited the car and engaged in peculiar actions. She strolled around the front of the school, touching the plants and the school wall. However, Archibald squatted down and began urinating and defecating in plain sight, just a few steps away from the school's entrance, where she was clearly visible to everyone. While the witness was providing their statement to the police, an unexpected event occurred. The same Honda car that Archibald had arrived in nonchalantly drove through the school's parking lot.
But yeah, I saw her kneel down by the trash can in the front there. I saw her kneel down and she pulled her pants down and she peed, and then she went over to the grassy area, and I'm sure she was pooping because she had her pants all the way down again, and I was like, okay, I gotta call the cops because something's up with this. So just odd behavior. And then yesterday a few times she looked out the window of her car and she was yelling obscenities to me. I'm sure they were obscenities. I couldn't really tell what she was saying. She was like yelling at the top of her voice. I didn't respond. I just walked away. I kept walking closer to my car in case I needed to get in my car. Because at that point I was kind of concerned about my safety because she was obviously in some altered state. So,
right.
So I don't know. It's just really bizarre behavior.
Okay. I'll go check her out.
Okay.
Essentially, like, there is trespassing on school grounds, but
right.
I gotta get with one of the school officials first before I can.
Yeah, of course.
Hey there. Hello. How you doing? I'm Deputy Getchell with the Sheriff's Office here in Vero Beach.
What's up?
I'm just coming to do a welfare check on you. Somebody said that you were parked at the school and possibly took a dump in the bushes.
No, I didn't.
No? Okay. You were at the school though earlier, right?
No, I just drove through for the first time today.
Okay. They described you to the T as being there earlier.
Oh,
Blonde lady with purple jogging suit. You look a little tired. Are you okay?
No, I'm good.
Okay. I saw you have Massachusetts license plate. Is this a rental or is this your car?
It's mine, but nothing.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license I can see? Why tomorrow? Do you not have a license?
I have one.
It's Florida? So you have a license out of Florida then? Yes or no? Where are you headed? Papa Zulu Echo 55, 2P ZE 55. Ma'am, do you have an ID?
Just spoke and very nervous and trying to get it out.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
I see.
An ID?
I see.
Do you have an identification?
I see.
What?
I see.
Are you calling me Satan?
No, I didn't get saved. I was having one there.
Ma'am, do you have an identification? Ma'am, do you have an identification?
I'm not good, sir.
Okay. Do you know what day of the week it is?
Yeah, I think it's Sunday, Monday.
Do you know where you're currently at?
In Florida.
Okay, do you know what town?
Leave me alone.
I can't. Your vehicle's not coming back with a registration or anything. You're not telling me who you are. You're acting abnormal.
I'm just Kimberly. Simply Kimberly.
Kimberly what?
Simply Kimberly.
Your first name is Simply. Can you step out of the car?
I can't step out of the car because I have to take food.
Okay, well you were able to do jumping jacks.
Can you get me to the bathroom?
Ma'am, I need to figure out who you are. I need something with your name on it. Can you do me a favor? Can you turn the car off? Okay. What's your name? Ma'am? I can't hear you if you're talking to me, ma'am. Do you need an ambulance? Hello? Stop. You're being detained. Stop. Nope. You need to stop. Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up. Nope. Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up. Man, you need to stop. You need to stop. Stop. You need to stop.
Let me go, please.
No.
I didn't do
Stop.
anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Okay, let me go, please.
Nope.
Let me go, please. 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 Let me go, please.
Good.
Let me go,
Thank
please.
you.
Let me go, please. Okay. Let me go, please.
No.
Let me
stop.
go, please.
You want to sit up?
One more. Let me go, please.
No, ma'am.
Let me go, please.
No, ma'am. You want to sit up? Here, sit up. Sit up. No, ma'am. Been trying to identify you, figure out what's going on. Clearly, you're in an altered mental status. You won't follow any of my commands.
Let me go, please.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. All right, stand up. Come on, stand up.
Let me go, please.
No, ma'am. Have a seat.
Oh, you're a nice man. Let me go, please.
Have a seat.
Let me go, please.
Have a seat. Put your leg in. So what was your name? Ma'am, what is your name? Kimberly Consolo? No, ma'am. You wouldn't follow any of my commands. Made me just wrestle you to the ground. Why would I let you out? Can you tell me what your name is? Constantly? Constance? Ma'am, you're gonna have to talk to me. Kimberly Constance. What's your birthday? Ma'am, all I was trying to do was check your welfare and verify your identity because you're alleged to be trespassing on school grounds. Okay, well, you refused to identify yourself. Right, and I asked you several times what your name was. You just sat there and didn't say anything but mumbled. Constantly. And what's your first name? Do you have a Florida driver's license? Do you have a social security number? Hi. Constance. What's your last name, Constance? What? Constance is your last name? Do you know where you are? You know what city? Okay. Do you have family that lives in town?
No.
How'd you end up here? From Massachusetts? All the way down here? Can you tell me what's going on with you today? Do you take medication?
No.
You have any medical You have any medical issues with you? No. Do you have a local address? No. You got a Florida driver's license? Do you have a cell phone? You don't know what you're doing? I don't know what you're doing either. That's what we're trying to figure out. Okay. All right, that's everything you told me. I appreciate it.
All right, absolutely. Thank you very
Yes, ma'am.
much. I appreciate you guys keeping us safe. You know, you walk in broad daylight in a public place and you think everything's fine. It's just creepy, you know?
Yeah, there's strange people everywhere.
Yes, there are. Thank you guys for everything you do.
Certainly. Thank you.
In the end, Archibald was arrested and charged with trespassing on school property, resisting arrest, and providing a false name while detained. Her bond was set at $3,000.